Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to disable your WhatsApp notifications on your Daraz account. So we're going to turn off all alerts on WhatsApp. So now we're going to go to our app. Then we're going to click on an account. Then next we're going to click on settings. Then we're going to click on messages. Then now you're going to scroll and you're going to see the WhatsApp option. We're going to turn it off. So now you've turned off all messages received through WhatsApp. So this is how you turn it off. So now you can continue on your shopping. You can also visit our playlist on Daraz account Things to Do. I have numerous step-by-step tutorials on Daraz account, how to turn on and turn off settings. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.